Good afternoon, Keller Williams. This is Frank Worrell, Market Center 263 MCTT. Wanted to show you something real quick for items that you always use often over and over in your marketing materials, which includes texts and phrases and pictures and stuff, logos. This is in the KWE brand area, and I'm gonna show you how to get here, but I just wanted to show you the features. You can select the color fonts that you want to use most of all the time or whatever, the type of font you want. Images, you can upload images and actually create folders for them, so you could be super organized with that. The text, now this is the quick kick that I like, that you can, the stuff that you're going to type more often, that you use on most all your stuff, like your compliance or contact information, you can actually upload that stuff here. You create it here, and then you tag it so you'll know what it's for. But say, for instance, Keller Williams address, you don't want to type it in all the time, so you can just create an address block for it, and you can make it as detailed as you want as well. Over here we have logos, which like the Market Center logos you could upload here if you're going to use them more often, or your own company or branding logo that you use for your company. You can upload that stuff here if you use it on your marketing material often. And of course, they have elements like emojis and stuff. Your videos that you, marketing videos or whatever type of videos that you may upload and use into your marketing materials and files. Won't get into that. So how do we get here? So you open up your command, and this is what it's going to look like. If you log into your command at agent.kw.com, if you log in, you're going to see this screen. And what you would do is go to designs. You create a design, and it kind of doesn't really matter. You This stuff is for like your print stuff too. You can, well, of course, obviously when you create the stuff. And you see up here, they got 4 tabs. And once you click on assets, this is your quick kit that you're going to use all the time for your marketing stuff, which I was just showing you on the other screen. So stuff that you use over and over, you can just go ahead and just upload it here and use it over and over. That's it. Thank you. Y'all have an awesome evening.